A hand-to-hand drug transaction in open court is where it is alleged that Young Thug received a Percocet pill from one of the co-defendants in his Rico case. However, Young Thug's attorney claims that the Grammy-winning rap star was unaware of what was going on and that his client has been cleared of any wrongdoing in the case. In a motion submitted on Thursday, prosecutors in Fulton County alleged that Khalif Adams, one of Young Thug's 13 co-defendants, at his gang conspiracy trial, which is currently underway with jury selection in Atlanta, walked up to the musician during a Wednesday hearing and passed off the pill in a brazen handoff that was caught by a courtroom surveillance camera. The motion was filed in response to an allegation made by Young Thug's attorney that Adams was involved in. Hello everyone, and welcome to another video. Today, we'll be looking at Judge adds 25 years to Young Thug's Rico case after P30 handoff. Yeah, you heard it right. Young Thug, whose true name is Jeffrey Williams, does not even know Mr. Adams, according to his lawyer Brian Steele. Young Thug was born Jeffrey Williams. The motion filed by the state is full of factual mistakes, embellishments, and improper attempts to make Mr. Williams liable for the actions of another person. According to Steele, who was interviewed by Rolling Stone, the conclusion of the investigation into what happened yesterday was that Mr. Williams was exonerated of any misconduct. The individuals who were accountable for what happened have been charged, and they made their initial court appearances this morning. The fresh petition that the prosecutors have submitted for clarification of the evidence includes allegations that Adams approached defendant Williams and extended a closed right hand. According to their version of events, Williams reached his open right hand towards the defendant Adams' closed right hand and took an item of contraband. Allegedly, Williams closed his right hand over the contraband, placed his closed right hand underneath the table where he sat next to his attorney to disguise his receipt of the illegal contraband, to wit, Percocet. This is according to the people who accuse Williams of this action. On Thursday, it was unable to get in touch with the Fulton County Sheriff's Office despite our best efforts. The purported handoff can be seen on the video of the incident that was obtained by WSB-TV. At this point, personnel from the Sheriff's Office immediately approached Williams in order to retrieve the claimed controlled substance. Adams, who's currently serving a life sentence for the murder of another person, was searched by personnel from the Sheriff's Department. According to the prosecutors, they found Percocet, marijuana, tobacco, and other illegal substances wrapped in plastic and food seasonings to mask the odor of the marijuana. Because of that, Adams was transported to the Grady Hospital after it appeared that he ingested other items of contraband that he kept on his person in an effort to disguise the breadth of his offenses within the courtroom. According to the request, the event resulted in the process of selecting a jury being delayed and adjourned before a single juror hardship was addressed for the day. This wasn't the first time that the jury selection in the high-profile case was interrupted by allegations of smuggling in a courtroom, however. According to an earlier story by WSBT, the mother of a fellow defendant named Diamante Kendrick, also known as Yak Gotti, was arrested on Tuesday for allegedly attempting to smuggle rolling papers and tobacco to her son. Kendrick is also a rapper. According to a tweet posted by a reporter from the Atlanta Journal-Constitution, Judge Earl Glanwell reportedly stated in court the previous week that someone attempted to conceal marijuana in a pair of shoes brought to court for one of the defendants. The shoes were brought to court by the defendant. Williams, who's 31 years old, is believed to be the primary defendant in the expansive Rico case that the government is pursuing. Initially, 28 persons were accused of being members of a criminal street gang called YSL, which stands for Young Slime Life. According to the records found online, Williams is currently facing a total of 9 charges, the most serious of which is a racketeering conspiracy. The prosecution alleges that he was in possession of marijuana, codeine, cocaine, and a machine pistol, and that he rented the silver 2014 Infiniti Q50 vehicle that was used in the slaying of Donovan Thomas Jr. in January 2015. Following an extensive amount of plea bargaining on the part of the prosecution, the current trial will involve 14 defendants. Gunna, the protege of Pharrell Williams, who was nominated for a Grammy and was born Sergio Kitchens, took advantage of one of the deals and was released from jail on December 14th. He used the Alford plea, which allowed him to maintain his innocence while pleading guilty to a single count of racketeering. This allowed the court to reduce the charges against him. According to the terms of this deal, Kitchens will not be required to testify, and a statement that was read in court in which he admitted that he had personal knowledge of people committing crimes in furtherance of what prosecutors have called YSL gang cannot be used against any other defendant. Kitchens' lawyer, Steve Sadow, has said. Kitchens' statement was read in court after he admitted that he had personal knowledge of people committing crimes in furtherance of what prosecutors have called. So that's all from today's video. If you enjoyed it, remember remember to leave a like, subscribe, and ring that bell icon so that you never miss our upcoming videos. And don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments section below. Stay tuned, and we'll catch you in the next video.